I object to any court-appointed officers for standing in. Is this being recorded? I'm being violated. My due process is being violated. I have the right to speak to the record. And if you want to take a stand down and the question is?
The question is, you wish to be represented by an attorney. Of course, to discharge SCP that was reported to by a private attorney or public defender.
I need to know what laws we're working under. Because I already objected to any public defender, officer of the court. Any. They are incompetent.
Are you going to entertain private counsel?
I am private counsel. I'm an authorized representative.
You represent yourself, sir?
I'm the authorized representative for the trust. I'm the trustee of the account.
He is the authorized representative. He is the trustee of the account. Boy, if you don't get your Moorish sovereign citizen nonsense out of this courtroom.
Are you pleading guilty or not guilty?
I'm not entering any plea.
In that case, I'm the courtroom. Sorry, there's no not guilty.
Okay, so
The people
are you an Article 3 judge? Is this the Article 3 court? I'm not here to challenge the charges. I'm here to challenge the jurisdiction. You told me that you have jurisdiction.
Your motion for jurisdiction has been denied.
Based on what account? Are you a party in the matter?
Excuse me, Mr. Bay, but what in the doohickey are you talking about? If you really believe that the courts didn't have jurisdiction, why did you even show up? Why did you roll out of your bed, put on your finest suit that you wear on Sundays, put on that bucket hat, and come to court? Why did you do all of these things if you truly believed in your heart of hearts that the courts and the judges have no jurisdiction over you? You should have just not shown up.
Ready to trial?
Well, no, the state on the state will be ready on the 7th of October, Judge, when we usually try cases for property.
Objection. Is this party?
The people object.
Let the record reflect that the judges are violating due process of law. What law are we working under?
You're an idiot!
What law are we working under? I'm here on the Treaty of Peace and Friendship, 1786, 1787, recently signed by here's Presidents Barack Hussein Obama.
You are delusional. You have a serious issue.
And I'm here to enforce the Constitution, the rights of indigenous people, and the human rights charter. Now, if we're here on the doctrine of discovery, which is a Christopher Columbus story, I object.
Wow, that was a new one. He's here under the docket of discovery, which is a Christopher Columbus story. These Moorish sovereigns literally all just make things up off the top of their heads. And they must not realize how ridiculous they sound when they just come up with this nonsense. This is madness.
Now, if we're here on the doctrine of discovery, which is a Christopher Columbus story, I object. This is not an Article 3 court. You are not an Article 3 judge. These are all statutes, ordinances, and resolutions that do not apply to the natural people of America.
Yahoo! I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs!
Objection. Have you received my doctrine of discovery?
Yes, I have, sir.
Have you received my written affidavit, my proclamation?
Yes, I have, sir.
Have you received the United States John Kerry sign sealed on that trademark, that trade name?
Sir, be here October 7th. There'll be a benchmark for your arrest. Thank you.
I thought this was a trial. Wasn't this a trial?
Let him either bit. Let it reflect that the judge left the bench.
Still has not stated for the record what laws
He abandoned ship.
on. Let the record reflect that the case has been dismissed because the judge abandon the bench.
Now that judge handled this Moorish sovereign citizen the correct way. He made a statement, he gave the man his next court date, and stated to him that if he doesn't show up, a bench warrant will be issued for his arrest, and then the judge walks off. These Moorish sovereign citizens love to say silly things like the judge has abandoned ship, so therefore the case is dismissed. Yeah, Bob, maybe in your mind, but you still have a court date, and if you don't show up, like the judge said, a warrant will be issued for your arrest. So I advise you to show up for your next court date because this case is not over. As you can see, more science does not help anyone. Anybody that encounters this crap, it just ruins their lives. And you see it time and time again. So my advice to anyone looking to join this Moorish sovereign citizen nonsense, just walk the other way because it will ruin your life.